Welcome back. With me I have Mike from Papa Joe's Italian restaurant, and you get a delicious avocado and eggs, and what do you got for us?
I have a simple, powerful snack for a weight loss regimen. So never let yourself go hungry, so have snacks available.
Yeah.
We could have talked about making small meals and showing small meals, and we do need to eat small meals throughout the day to keep that system going. So this is just something that we can make ahead of time, or right then and there because it's so fresh, to have that powerful snack. And I chose eggs because they're great proteins. Avocado has great fats.
Yeah.
A deviled egg is great. This is better because we're not having all that extra mayonnaise. We're not adding mustard and sugars and other things. So I simply took an avocado, mashed it up with some fresh tomato and onion, some lime juice. Now I zipped it up pretty heavily with cayenne pepper, jalapenos, and some chili oil, because again that heat gets your metabolism boosted too. So I've tried to throw a lot of things into this simple dish.
Yeah.
But it took like 5 minutes to do. So it's something that you can do ahead of time. Boil your eggs, boil a full carton of eggs.
Yeah.
Put them in the refrigerator that says boiled eggs.
Mm-hmm.
That way you don't have to go through the process of, I'm hungry, what can I make? Well, it's already made, you just have to put it together.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make one, and you can just tell us about avocados because I know you love them.
Yeah, avocado is actually one of my most favorite foods of all things. I mean, just because it is so full with great amino acids, the mineral content, the vitamin content, and also the fat content is just amazing. And what people don't realize is, in order to be able to lose fat, you actually need to eat fat. You need healthy fat in order to be able to burn the fat that's around your abdomen. And so if you combine then the protein with good quality fats, you're going to keep your blood sugar level for a long time, and you're not going to want to snack on all these different carbohydrates that will make you then gain weight. So this is just a perfect snack. And don't stay away from avocado, and don't stay away from.
It's a delicious snack. Your viewers will love it.
Yeah.
They should really try it.
Yeah. Thank you very much. So after this, we'll be right back.